Welcome to Tech Tesla.
In this video you will see how to download and install VLC Media Player for Windows 10, 8 and 7 etc. in 2021 for free. Step 1. Open any browser and type VLC Media Player. Then go to first website as videolan.org. After going to website, click on Download VLC. The download well starts in few seconds. After download complete, open the file. Select the language and press Next. After that you go to Public License, click Next. Custom whether you want desktop shortcut or not etc. and click Next. Select the disk you want to install the file. Click Install. After installation finish, a tab will be opened shows the privacy and network access policy. Click Next. Now we will check whether the video is playing by using VLC or not. Now I am going to open a video. The video is playing but is playing by using Windows Media Player. To change that, right-click on the video and go to Open with. Here don't select the VLC Media Player directly. Just click on the Choose Another app. Now select the VLC Media Player and click on Always use this app for MP4 files and OK. Now you can play any video by using VLC Media Player. Thank you. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel. If any issues found while doing this process, please mention it on comments.